Installation of 4-way cassette air conditioner. This installation is divided into the following parts: preparation of installation tools, preparation before installation, installation of indoor unit, drainage test, preparation of installation tools. During installation, you may use the following tools. Preparation before installation. Pipe cutting. Cut the suitable length of copper pipe as required. Turn pipe cutter slowly and keep increasing force gradually. Make sure there is no deformation. Cut surface should be level. Use rubberized fabric to wrap copper pipe head or use a cap to seal the pipe to prevent foreign materials from entering. Sheathe the pipe with insulating tube. You should add glue between two insulation tubes if one is not long enough to avoid the condensation. Pipe expanding. Sleeve the copper nut. Make pipe socket for copper pipe with pipe expander. Firmly hold copper pipe in a die in the dimension shown in the table. Fix flaring tools. Turn the handle clockwise and stop it when it rattles. Turn the handle counterclockwise and remove the tool. Pipe socket should be level, uniform, and free of cracks. Wire stripping. Select applicable wire according to rated current value. Two common specifications are shown in the figure. Strip rubber skin at both ends of connecting wires separately to uncover the connecting wire. Use wire stripper to strip wire core. The length of naked core should be around 10 to 30 millimeters or 0.5 to 1.5 inches. Check the appearance of the air conditioner and the accessories. Check if there are damages to the package before unpacking. Unpack the indoor unit, outdoor unit, and panel. Take out the accessories from the indoor unit and check whether they are complete, and respond to the accessories list of the installation manual. Check whether there is a scratch or deformation on the appearance of the indoor unit. Check if there is something else blocked the drain port. Check whether the red dot on the gas pipe nut is sticking out. If it has been dented, the unit is leaking and should not be installed. Watch the fire risk mark and follow the safety instructions of flammable gas. Accessories required for pipe installation: drain pipe, insulating pipe, hanging rods. Prepare the accessories locally if above accessories are not equipped. Installation of indoor unit. Installation position of the indoor unit is determined according to the installation manual. Make sure that spatial distance around the indoor unit is more than 1 meter or 3.3 feet. Installation of the main body. Distance between ceiling and roof should meet the requirements as shown in the drawing. If the ceiling has been installed and is integral, cut a quadrangular hole of 880 by 880 millimeter or 35 by 35 inches in the ceiling. Reserve opening for installation and maintenance with the square of more than 600 by 600 millimeters or 2 by 2 feet, located in the ceiling at the side of drain pipe and piping. Installation of hanging rods. Measure the distance between two hooks and select the position of installation hanging rods according to the dimensions. Drill 4 holes with the diameter of 12 millimeters or a half inch, 45 to 50 millimeters or 2 inches deep at the selected positions on the ceiling. Then embed the expansible sleeve nuts. Screw in the hanging rods until it stops. Then use washer and nut to lock it. Note: determine the length of the rods from the height of the ceiling. Lifting indoor unit. Insert hanging rods into hook holes at the 4 corners of the indoor unit. Adjust the nut on the hanging rods to make sure that the main body remains level. The inclination of main unit may cause water leakage. After completing the adjustment of position on the main body and its being level, fasten the nuts of installation hanging rods to fix the air conditioner. Drill wall holes. Determine the wall hole position according to the exit pipe direction and the expected installation position of outdoor unit. Avoid wires and other foreign materials. Notice that the indoor side of hole should be about 10 millimeters or half an inch higher than the outdoor side for smooth drainage. Pipe connection. Drain pipe is sheathed in an insulating pipe for thermal insulation to avoid condensation and leakage on the outer surface of drain pipe. Set the mouth of the drain pipe onto the root of the body's pump pipe. And clip the drain pipe and the outlet pipe sheath together firmly with the outlet pipe clasp. Multi-purpose adhesive is used to seal the drain pipe interface to avoid loosening and leakage. Coiling in any position is not allowed for water pipe. To prevent water from flowing backwards into the air conditioner while the air conditioner stops, please lean the drain pipe down towards outdoor or outlet side at a degree of over 1 in 100. Set up a supporting point on the pipe at intervals of 1 meter to 1.5 meters or 40 to 60 inches to prevent the drainage from bending. If the outlet of the drain pipe is higher than the body's pump joint, it is required to provide lift pipe for exhaust outlet of the indoor unit. Take the bottom of water pan as datum plane. The lifting height should be less than 1,000 millimeters or 33 inches. Otherwise, the water will overflow when the air conditioner stops. If the drain pipe is an overlength, it is required to add vent hole at certain intervals to ensure for smooth drainage. Wrapping is conducted in order where power wire and signal wire are at the upper side. Connecting pipe is at the lower side based on the approach to exit pipe, and do not pull serpentine pipe hard during wrapping. Make the wrapped pipeline through the wall hole. Be careful and don't damage the wrapping layer. Push the cross valve in the nut of input pipe slowly with a tool to discharge the nitrogen inside the unit, and remove the plastic nuts of input and output pipes. The cone should be vertical to top pipe socket. Firstly, connect the low pressure pipe, then the high pressure pipe. 2 wrenches are used to fasten the nut after the connecting nut is screwed to the bottom of bolt with hand. Wrap the accessory insulation pipes around the 2 connectors respectively to prevent condensation and dripping when the unit is running. Connection of the indoor wire. Disassemble the cover of the electric control box. The wiring diagram is on the back. Make the interconnection wire through the wire inlet. According to wire diagram of indoor unit and serial number labeled on the wiring terminal, connected wire group with order of marked wires should be reliably connected to its corresponding terminal. Make sure that the live wire and signal wire are not reversed connected. Pull the wire back moderately to make sure that the connection is secure. Press the thickest part of wire with pressing pad. Force. Pay attention to maintain an appropriate curvature of the wires, and the wires should not be pulled too straight. Reinstall the cover of the electric control box. Installation of panel. Remove outwards and take out the installation covers from the four corners. Align the wires side of the panel with electric control box side of the main body. Put the hanging rings of panel on the hooks of the main body. Tighten the screws evenly under the panel hanging rods until the thickness of the sponge and air outlet between the main body and the panel is reduced to about 4 to 6 millimeters or 0.2 to 0.3 inches. Remove the screw in the middle of the grill. Press the two grill switches simultaneously, then put the grill down. Remove the air inlet grill. Remove the two screws and remove the cover of the control box. Connect the 10-core wire of display board to CN10 socket on the main PCB. Connect the 5-core wire of swing motor to CN14 socket on the main PCB. If breezeless panel with independent van control function is chosen, the wire of swing motor will be 8-core and it should be connected to the CN66 socket on the main PCB. Arrange the wires well and put the cover back and fix it with screws. Cover the air inlet grill and fix it. Press the corner covers plate gently into the panel. Drainage test. Remove the drain hose and fill 2,000 milliliters of water. Put the drain hose back and lock it. Operate the air conditioner in cooling mode. Check whether the water is discharged well. Install the ceiling according to the hanging height of the unit and leave an 880 by 880 millimeter or 35 by 35 inches hole around the unit.